Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Drawing. Today I've got a special request for LA Ice being poured into a Margarita glass. Okay, so we're going to start off with the LA Ice, but it will be sideways. So, draw the bottle, yeah, and you got the lid, except it's off, so you get the weird, yeah, that going on. The lid is over here, just to make it clear. Alright, and then draw the rest of the bottle. Goes down. It's got the weird prongs. That's what they look like. Then you get the drink inside. Then of course you got to get the label, because how are you supposed to know this is LA Ice? This could be anything. Well, once you've tasted LA Ice, you'll be able to understand what I'm on about. This stuff is actually pretty good. I'll be completely honest. Alright, there you can tell it's LA Ice now. There you go. And then it's pouring out. It's going out into a Margarita glass. And they're pretty big. They're pretty big, these things. But at the same time, they're not really. It's a really strange thing. Okay, there's the bottom of it. Yep. And then it's kind of being filled. Because they fill up really quickly. As you can see, I haven't actually, not a lot's come out, but it's already like filled up to there. That's how those things work. It's quite scary. And okay, fine, color again, color. Yep, and then the final touch is the blue. Okay, that's good enough. Alright, well there you go, LA Ice being poured into a Margarita glass. Thank you very much for watching, and always enjoy your LA Ice.